He told us the whole village was going to be evacuated. It's hard to comprehend those words.
Some places you would pull up and there were people physically outside waiting for you. Other places, people didn't want to leave.
Your first thought is, where are you going to go? What are you going to do? Who's going to try and help you? We were surprised that different agencies that would come and help us. They gave us food stamps. Good Samaritan gave us some money to get started to replace some of the things that we needed, essentials.
The water obviously is flood water, which contains sewer water. It's not a good environment. It's about rebuilding this home, getting you back to where you were so that your life can carry on.
Describe for me that day that you were handed your keys and you got to walk back into your home.
Well, I'll tell you, I wept like a baby. There's no words for it. Just every emotion you have comes over you.
After 30-some years of doing this, it's moments like this that make it all worthwhile. And just bless you guys and stay well and be well and continue to give to others.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.